Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. I know a lot of us find it very difficult to sit down and eat fruit, but if you try this very trickish way, you are going to enjoy it, and this will also encourage you to incorporate more fruits into your daily diet. So guys, looking at this apple are hard, and if you ask me to eat these three apples, I will not eat them because they are hard and they are full of wrinkles. It is so uninviting. But if you try this very trickish way, you're going to enjoy it. I added honey to the smoothie, but that is optional. You can choose to add honey or not. It is absolutely your choice. So guys, this video is self-explanatory. I only use three ingredients: my cucumber, my strawberry, and apple. Then I added some little water to make the blending process easy. So guys, I'm going to leave you with the rest of the video as you enjoy the background music. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And stay blessed. Watch out for my next video. Bye guys.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.